All right, so obviously it's packing time. So yeah, it's real. I leave in a day. Tomorrow, Saturday, go hang out with my friends, I guess, and then Sunday I'm off to the airport. I'm gone. So right now, I'm just packing up the essentials like clothes and stuff, and then I'm gonna try to figure out what kind of camera equipment I'm bringing. So that's what's next. Alright, so final rundown on what I'm taking with me. Gloves, balaclava, racing shoes. Got my Defender here. It's the piece that I wear over my shoulders. A couple pairs of shoes in there. This is the fun suitcase. Oculus, and then candy, toys, things for the grandkids. So I can be that cool uncle. This suitcase here, clothes only, not even gonna look at it. This suitcase, new 360 camera. I'm gonna toy around with it when I get down there. Lusk Racing hoodie. We got our mic, our camera. We've got lenses, SD cards. And in the front of it are batteries, which I'm not even gonna pull out. Here, razor, phone charger, GoPro mount, GoPro mounting equipment, and then down there I got a raincoat. Also, some little plain toiletries. So that covers all the essentials that I have in my suitcases. And then here, backpack, all important laptop, headphones, Rubik's Cube, play with on the plane, cables, we got a mouse, GoPro batteries, controller for games, pens, pencils, and that covers this bag, which is pretty much all my essentials. And the last thing that needs to go in there is my GoPro, which I'm filming with, which I'm going to probably carry for the duration of the trip. So that's it, we're packed. And then tomorrow we head out. I had a couple prangs of nerves run through my system. Like my fingers got all tingly earlier tonight. So, but yeah, it's real. It's real. I know I've said that a couple of times, but whew. Now I guess we travel to the airport tomorrow. Should I do that? All right, time to load the bags. See you later, Tian. Later, Parker. All right, that's how we go, right? Oh yeah, I'm gonna forget my passport. I've made it to the airport, and here we are, Newark, New Jersey. Really good view of the New York City skyline, and we get ready to fly to LAX for our layover. Travel. On the plane. done my best to find a quieter place to record, right above TSA, of course. And we get on the Australian plane next, and then I have to go through customs and all that. But this plane's gonna be all through the night, just over the ocean, so I'm gonna try to sleep through most of it, so you might not see much footage of that. And then we'll be out into the race shop. We'll see Melbourne a little bit first, and then we'll be out. But off to Melbourne we go. Alright, so I've made it to Australia, and I am out in the garage of Australian Racing Products. The Amatos have put me up, and I've spent my first night there, and it's been really welcoming so far. Getting off the plane was a total zoo to try to get through the e-passport system, because there's about 1.5 million people trying to get in line, and like, it was just a mess. I didn't really film that much of myself yesterday because I was out of sorts a little bit, trying to get my bearings straight. But actually, it was really good. Getting off the plane was interesting. As soon as you get out through the passport area, it's definitely a bit of a different world. The first thing I noticed was like the transport system was totally different. Like the cars driving on the wrong side of the road, plus all the standards are different, so like the lanes seem like thinner, and like all the paint lines on the road and all that are different, and the cars are a lot different too. There was a lot of like small vans and small cars that were, you know, a lot different from what I'm used to at home. But so I've landed, and yeah, I've had a really good time so far. So I'm gonna be racing this Saturday, and that's gonna be what's up next on the agenda. So I hope you enjoyed this travel video. Really appreciate you stopping out, checking out the channel. This is like one of the biggest things in my life that has ever happened. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I know I have been, and I'm glad I get to share it with you. Please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Take care, guys.